Welcome back to the Westchester Real Estate Network. I'm your host, Craig Meyerson, with my friend, co-worker, and boss, Susan Reische, office manager here at the William Raveis office, located at 78 Purchase Street in Rye, New York. Hi, Susan.
Hello.
That was a mouthful.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you
Again.
too. Did you change for this time?
I did not. Unbutton my jacket, that's about it, right?
So, as we've been discussing, Raveis has a lot of different products that we offer. And one of the products that's recently come out the last couple months is a service called Raveis Refresh. Tell me a little bit about Raveis Refresh.
Well, Raveis Refresh is a concierge level program where we provide homeowners a no interest loan to fix up their house for sale. And what happens is that we're able to not only provide the loan itself, we can also provide a project manager, and we have pre-negotiated contracts or pricing with already established vendors in their area. So we make it very turnkey for them. They really don't have to do very much besides sign up for the program, which you can introduce them to.
So, just so I understand, I mean, I kind of understand, but I'm hoping our viewers get a better understanding of it. So, if my house, let's just say, needed some fresh paint, and that was going to really dramatically help in the staging of the home to get it ready for sale, would Raveis Refresh work for something as small as a paint job?
They would do Raveis Refresh for anything as small as a paint job. It could be staging itself. I think you mentioned staging. We can actually stage a home. We can do minor repairs. We can do major repairs. We can do renovations, as well. So it really is a very customized service. That's really, it's up to the homeowner what they would like to do. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. We're really looking to make it work for the homeowner to maximize the value of their home.
Right. And earlier you and I were discussing, we're not really in the business of, we're not contractors, but it makes sense. It's another tool in our box to help our clients, whether it's getting a mortgage or insuring their home or getting their house ready for sale. It seems like it all ties together.
It sure does.
And with that, we have one last segment we're going to be talking about, and that's called Raveis Purchase. Stay tuned, we'll talk about that when we get back.